Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I completed this cute Marley hairstyle, just keep on watching.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag sauce.
Now my braid pattern is pretty simple, just two going to the side and the rest of them just straight back, so that way, you know, if I want to put it up or any type of way, I can do it like that. And would you be surprised, I actually braided my own hair. Like, I have never braided my hair before, and this is definitely a first. Not too bad, girl. Now the hair I'm using is just my typical Marley hair from my hair store in the color T30. Now here I'm just separating the ends a little bit just to get some of that, you know, uniform structure out of the way. Basically, you know, just I want to detangle the whole hair when I install, so that way when it's time to curl, it could be a lot easier. Now this is actually a hairstyle I used to do when I first started crocheting, which I would not recommend for beginners because there's a lot of arm strength, detangling and curling and hot water dipping with this hairstyle. But this is just, you know, basically a good hairstyle if you want to get that voluminous curl, you know, that natural look, or just basically the old school crochet is what I call it, because this is something I used to do a long time ago. Now I'm just going to cut a little bit of layers within the Marley hair, so that way when I curl it, it can, you know, have that layer effect compared to just having that bulkiness with the hair. Plus I just wanted to thin some of the hair out as well. Now it is time to detangle, girl. You better detangle the crap out of this hair. Like, I swear I have like bigger triceps and biceps from detangling this hair. Like I said, this is not recommended for beginners if you are a new crocheter because it is a lot of work. Now it is time to curl the hair after all that detangling, girl. So for curling the hair, I am using different color perm rods in the white, purple, and orange. Now I'm going to spray my hair with the Lotta Body setting lotion, and also, you know, I'll be dipping the hair as well, but I just wanted to, you know, have that maximum hold and strength when it comes to curling the hair because ain't nobody got time to be curling the hair every single day. All right, now it is time to dip this hair in some boiling, you heard that, boiling hot water. Not no lukewarm water. Dip that in some boiling hot water and make sure you have at least 2 towels on you because the water is hot. As you can see, I'm dipping my hair and I'm actually using a thermal cup, so that way my hands don't get burnt when I dip the hair, and plus it keeps the water pretty hot for a very long time. After dipping, I left these perm rods in overnight to air dry. I could have set under a dryer, but I had nowhere to go. So basically, you just want to make sure your hair is fully dry before you take these out. Yes, it is the next day. Yes, I am wearing a giraffe onesie, whatever. Do not judge me. I was comfortable sleeping in it, so we're just gonna go with the flow. But yes, my perm rods and the hair is all dry, and it's time to take these out, girl. Now, do you see how beautiful and luscious these curls are? Yes, it took me a day and a half to complete this whole hairstyle, but like I said, it's all for the love of the crochet, and I was definitely going back to my old school crochet ways of doing it the Marley hairstyle. All right, now I'm just going to take some of my oil-free wig shine spray that I have, and I'm just going to spray you know, the Marley Hair, just to give it a little bit of a shine that doesn't have the oils and all that. We cute, girl, we cute. I think we're done. Yes. Alright. And it looks like natural hair. Like, this can be my curls. And you would never know this was a crochet of Marley Hair. Alright guys, so if you like this video, if you like this hairstyle, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad